Hi everybody, welcome back to NJE Life. Today I made 2 delicious loaves of pepperoni bread. Since this is just pepperoni and bread, you can even store this on your countertop. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Hello, here are my 2 loaves of frozen dough that have been thawing for 4 hours. I use these Rhodes frozen white bread dough loaves. On your clean countertop, spread around some flour so we can roll out the dough without it sticking. I cut out a lot of me struggling with the dough because I somehow lost my rolling pin. So I got the idea to use a fruit cocktail can in its place, and it ended up working out decently for me. But if you have a rolling pin, it shouldn't take too long to make about a 16-inch circle or circle-like shape. But anyways, after you got a decent shape and you got it nice and flat, you're going to want to add your pepperoni, about a 1/4 of a pound. Now you're just going to roll it up as I'm doing and kind of pinch the edge seams too as you go along. There's loaf number 1. I just added some extra virgin olive oil to the tops of both of these bread rolls, and I'm going to brush it around. Put your pepperoni breads into the oven, and I set my timer for 30 minutes, but mine were done in 28. Delicious, big, fluffy breads. I let mine cool down for about 10 minutes before I dug in. This bread has great texture. A little bit of crispy on the outside, but nice and fluffy on the inside. I got a nice piece of pepperoni bread. Warm and fluffy.